The world has changed in many ways over the past years, and it will continue to change in the future. Climate change, energy crisis, and environmental awareness. What do you think will happen if they all collided? Here are some of the causes of climate change and energy crisis. Open burning of waste is a widely practiced method of solid waste disposal in many regions of the world and represents a significant source of air pollution. Carbon emissions resulting from the black carbon produced by open burning of waste has a significant climate impact. Sunlight and heat cause the plastic to release powerful greenhouse gases, leading to an alarming feedback loop. As our climate changes, the planet gets hotter. The plastic breaks down into more methane and ethylene, increasing the rate of climate change and so perpetuating the cycle. Waste of energy. In most parts of the world, people do not realize the importance of conserving energy. It is only limited to books, to the internet, newspaper ads, lip service, and seminars. Unless we give it a serious thought, things are not going to change anytime sooner. Right now, we're facing a man-made disaster of global scale. That the human activities is the main causes of climate change and energy crisis. If we don't take an action, the collapse of our civilization and extinction of the natural world will happen. The message is clear. The time is running out. Simply put, if we don't protect the nature, we can't protect ourselves. The only way we can solve our problem is by a human solution. Never we can sit back and wait for a miracle to happen. So come with us and let's take an action and talk about the environmental awareness. Composting is an effective, environmentally safe way to recycle yard waste. This is a simple tip to avoid burning of waste that can harm the nature and can be a dangerous one to human health and contaminates the air, water, and soil. Waste prevention. We should always remember to segregate our waste properly. We can make a difference by reducing consumption. We can also help protect our natural resources and reduce the amount of waste produced by 3 R's. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce the amount of products you use. Reuse products instead of throwing them away. And recycle the waste products. Waste prevention and recycling can make a significant contribution to reducing greenhouse gas emissions. The Waste Reduction and Recycling Initiative is expected to contribute at least 5% of the total greenhouse gas emission reductions. Planting helps fight climate change. It is one of the simplest and most effective ways of tackling climate change caused by greenhouse gases. We must invest our time in planting because as they grow, they absorb carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gas in the atmosphere. If everyone will plant, they can help to reduce the impacts of climate change in their local area and around the world. So, let us be active in planting. Be more conservative with energy usage. Becoming more conservative with energy efficient is a great way to prevent pollution. It causes the power plants to expend less energy. Make sure to turn off the lights when not in use and unplug devices that you are not using anymore when you are done with them. Using maximum daylight, spend time on reading instead of using technologies. All of this can be a big help to lessen the energy crisis. We are not yet too late. There are always things we can do to fight against this. Saving the environment starts with us, and it's our responsibility to act against this terrible change to preserve the planet for future generations. Thinking about your current habits and making a few minor changes can make a big difference.